Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Telnet connection to like another device or another address. So you want to go into your search bar and look up Windows Services. Actually, Windows Features. My bad. Windows Features. And then right here, it's going to have a little checkbox for the Telnet client. Click on that. You're going to have to do the same thing for the computer that you're trying to connect to, because they have to have Telnet client enabled as well for you to make the connection. So that's enabled. You go into your command prompt. And type in Telnet. And I'm just gonna do my IP real quick, just as a demonstration. It's not gonna connect because you see Telnet isn't enabled on my router. But let me get my other computer that we're gonna connect to enabled as well for Telnet connections. Alright, so I enabled the Telnet client on the other computer I'm going to connect to, and updated the firewall to make sure that port 23 is open for the Telnet client. So I just reset that. I'm going to reset this computer as well because I had to update the firewall rules on this to open port 23. If you don't know how to do that, and for some reason you have it blocked, as it should be if you have proper firewall settings set up, then I'm going to show you how to check right here. So you go into, you type in firewall, the search bar, go into your Windows Defender firewall with advanced security, go into inbound, and if you have any rules that are preventing the port 23 connection, change it. I have a specific custom firewall right here and on the outbound as well. So open port 23, and then because Windows Firewall requires a restart usually, I'm going to restart the system right now to refresh. Alright guys, so real quick we're going to get the IP address. Well, I already have it like for the one that I'm connecting to, but if you need the IP address, go IP config, the command prompt, and that'll give you the IP that you have. Actually, hold on, this one's not right. Let's see. Oh, that's why I'm not connected to the network. So the DHCP server hasn't given me a IP address for the network, obviously. Okay, let's try that again. IP config, and there it is. I got 1-3 at the end. So do that on the one that you're trying to connect to, the device that you're trying to connect to. and then you want to do Telnet 192. Oh, oops. Try that again. Telnet, and then the IP that you're trying to connect to, not your own. 168.1 and .5. So doing it like this will automatically try to connect group port 23. If you want to specify a different port, I'll show you how to do that after we're done here. If you need to see the commands that are available for the Telnet client, it says it couldn't connect. Let me see what the message was. Could not open connection to the host on port 23. Connect failed. Okay, so I might have to bring down the inbound firewall for this. But let me just show you something before I start working on that. If you want to see all the options available through the Telnet command, type in Telnet, hit enter, and then do !/help. And there you can see all the options available through Telnet. So close current connection, display operating parameters, connect to hostname, exit Telnet, set options, send strings to the server, print status information, unset options, and print help information. Okay, be right back. Hello, sorry to keep you waiting. So, for some reason, my Windows machines aren't able to communicate on port 23 Telnet for some reason. And if I try another port, it's not able to. Although Telnet is working fine, they're not communicating with each other. Try looking up a solution and haven't found it yet. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you how to Telnet to a specific web address. And this is how you would normally do it for a web server that has Telnet enabled. So this place is kind of like a server where a whole bunch of nerds made, or two nerds made a text animation, like in all ASCII, of Star Wars. So if you Telnet to this one, it's gonna play the entire Star Wars movie. Original work by Simon Jansen, Steph, right at the beginning there. And we are connected to the server that's serving this ASCII movie of Star Wars through Telnet. So I'm just gonna exit here. But yeah, if I do IP config, it doesn't show me the other machines on my network here. So I think it might be a network discovery issue. Still trying to get that figured out. This version of Windows doesn't support network discovery, like the button to enable that. So it might be something else. I already tried enabling the service, but I'll have to get back to you on how to connect from this computer to another computer, even though you saw that we already connected to a server from this computer using Telnet. That was a public server, by the way, so anyone can connect to it and watch this movie. But yeah, I'll update this, put it in a separate playlist to update it later when Telnet connection is working from computer to computer on my network here. Alright, catch you later. Bye.